Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to share a function called match. So let's go and check the first definition what match does. So you can see match returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specific value in a specific order. In simple terms, second definition is in better simple terms. So it what it does in a list. If you want to know, for example, in this list, if you want to know Paul Zara stands where, so it will tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will give you the answer 6. So Paul Zara is in the 6th position. If let's assume this as an array, employee name, product name, and sales. So if you want to know where the product name is, then the match function will give you as 2, because it's 1, 2. It always, as you know, all the formulas goes from left to right works. Okay, so now let's check the syntax. So in the syntax, you can syntax is very simple. It's a match, then parentheses, or you can say round bracket in simple terms, then lookup value. Lookup value is the value or the column which you are trying to find, and then lookup array. Lookup array is the source from where you want to get the result. And match type. Match type is exact match or approximate match. There are two values for match type. Always go with exact match. Okay, now let's see this example. So I want to find the position of Robert, Zara, Zain, and Ricky Ponting in this list. Okay, so match, and the syntax is lookup value. So what you want to find? I want to find Robert, Zara. So I'll just select this, comma, and then and just let me log this. Okay, now comma, lookup array, or you can say lookup list, where you want to find these 3 people. I want to find them here. Okay, and I will log this again, comma, and there are 3 types of your match type. So always go with the exact match. Less than or greater than will not give you the correct answer, because they will match only the partial ones. For example, we want to match Robert, Zara, so if they find any Robert, then they will pick that number. Okay, so it will not completely match that entire word or sentence in the source. So always go with the 0. You can just put 0, or just you can press tab and you'll get the 0, and close the braces, or you can say round bracket, and hit enter. 5. So Robert Zara is in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see we have got the answer 5 in this list. Let me just select this and Control R to just copy this. Okay, so Jane is in 13th position. So where is Jane? Yeah, he's in 13th position, and I think Ricky Ponting is not there. Let me just find it virtually. Yeah, he's not there, so it's giving me a NA. Ricky Ponting is only present here. He is not in this list, so we are getting the answer as NA. So this is the work of you can say match function, how it works. So now let's check the second example of match. So we are going to just find Hong Kong, where this stands in this list. So match, and I will just select this by left arrow key, or you can just select from the mouse, whichever suits you, comma, and then this array, and comma 0. Just close the parenthesis and hit enter. 4. Instead of if you don't have any just list named here in a column, then also you can just write this as, you can say, DLS Dallas, comma, and then you can just select it, comma 0, enter, and you will get the result. Okay, so mostly match function is used with Vlookup. Okay, to get the column number, the third parameter when we apply the Vlookup. So in place of that, you can use the match function. In index also when you're applying the index function, you can use this match. In the coming videos, I will be sharing how VLOOKUP works and how match can be used with it, also with same with the index function. Hope whatever I have explained is clear, and do let me know your point of view and suggestions in the comment section. And if you want any other example, then also you can just comment me and let me know. Thank you. Have a good day and take care.